Are you stuck choosing between ProVia and Andersen windows for your home? With both offering a wide range of styles and both being of high quality, making a decision can be tough. I totally understand, and that's why in this video we're breaking down the differences to help you decide which is the best fit for your home. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're comparing ProVia and Andersen windows. Our goal? To give you the info you need to choose the right windows for your home. Let's get into it. Starting with ProVia, based in Ohio, known for its Amish craftsmanship and core values like integrity and honesty, ProVia offers a range of window collections designed with care and precision. Andersen, however, also has a long history dating back to 1903 with innovations in windows and doors. Headquartered in Minnesota, emphasizing safety, sustainability, and quality, both brands stand out, but let's see how they measure up in materials, durability, and energy performance. Both ProVia and Andersen offer vinyl and vinyl-clad windows. ProVia's SunShield vinyl is engineered for extreme temperatures, promising not to warp or crack, while Andersen's Fibrex composite frames boast strength and durability. Both brands are designed to withstand harsh climates, making them a robust choice for any home. Energy efficiency is key for keeping your home comfortable and your bills low. ProVia and Andersen windows are ENERGY STAR certified with options for low-E glass and multi-pane insulation. ProVia ups the ante with gas-filled panes for extra insulation, while Andersen offers a variety of energy-efficient solutions designed to keep your home cozy. Design-wise, ProVia offers 4 lines of windows with options for tinted and decorative glass, catering to different aesthetics and needs. Andersen counters with 5 window lines, offering extensive customization options including grille patterns and art glass. Both brands provide ample opportunity to match your home's style perfectly. Warranties are crucial for your peace of mind. ProVia's lifetime warranty covers as long as the original purchaser lives in their home, with specific protections for materials and workmanship. Andersen's limited warranty spans 10 to 20 years depending on the components. Each offers a level of security, but ProVia's lifetime guarantee stands out for long-term homeowners. Choosing between ProVia and Andersen, it comes down to your preferences in durability, energy efficiency, design, and warranty coverage. There's so much more that we can get into on this topic, and that's why linked above is an article that contains so much more detailed information between ProVia and Andersen windows. Thank you for joining us as we compared ProVia and Andersen windows. For more insights into the latest home improvement solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.